Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, where we explore the bold, the beautiful and the brilliantly bizarre in the world of boats, yachts and floating wonders. Today we've got something that's as futuristic as it is functional, as stunning as it is sustainable. We're diving deep into the UFO 2.0, that's the Unidentified Floating Object by Jet Capsule, a vessel that doesn't just float, it hovers in imagination and innovation.
Now you might be wondering, is this a boat, a house, a
spaceship or something else entirely? Well, the UFO 2.0 is a little bit of everything. It's a circular off-grid floating habitat designed to give you the freedom of the sea with the comforts of home, all wrapped in a saucer-shaped shell that wouldn't look out of place in a science fiction movie. Whether you see it as the future of oceanfront living or the ultimate escape pod for Earth's water bodies, one thing's for sure: the UFO 2.0 demands attention and inspires wonder.
Let's start with the overall concept, because the idea behind the UFO 2.0 isn't just to float, it's to live floating. It's an ambitious attempt to redefine what we consider livable space by placing it directly on water. Designed by Jet Capsule, the same Italian innovators who brought us the pod-like jet capsule boats, the UFO 2.0 is the next evolution in their design philosophy, marrying aesthetic minimalism with technological audacity. This is not just a design exercise, it's a prototype for a new kind of existence.
The first thing that strikes you is the shape. The UFO 2.0 is circular, perfectly symmetrical, with a disc-like profile that's both practical and futuristic. This isn't just for the wow factor. The round design gives it superb balance and stability, especially on calm to moderately choppy waters. The overall diameter is about 12.5 meters or just over 41 feet, making it spacious enough for comfortable living but compact enough to remain mobile or transportable. The top of the UFO 2.0 is a wide solar roof completely covered in photovoltaic panels. These solar panels are one of the most crucial components of the vessel's sustainability-focused design. They supply power to the entire pod, making it energy self-sufficient. The circular solar array rotates to optimize exposure to the sun, harvesting power throughout the day. This means the UFO 2.0 can run almost entirely off-grid if conditions are ideal, giving you independence from ports or external hookups. Now let's move inside. Starting from the top, the main living deck is surrounded by a 360-degree glass dome. This dome serves as the main panoramic area. It's essentially your floating observatory, offering unobstructed views of the sky, the sea and everything in between. The dome is not only a visual marvel but also a structural one, made from impact-resistant materials with integrated shading and insulation to manage heat and glare. Inside this dome you'll find a spacious lounge area that can be customized to suit different lifestyles, whether you want a minimalist zen retreat or a more homey high-tech space. The UFO 2.0 allows for modular interior configurations: a galley kitchen, a convertible sofa, dining area and modular storage units all fit neatly within the dome. The idea is to maintain a clutter-free environment while maximizing utility. One of the standout features lies beneath the surface. Literally, the UFO 2.0 comes with a submerged lower level that includes a bedroom and a bathroom. Yes, you can sleep under the sea and wake up to the sight of fish swimming past your window through circular underwater portholes. This underwater area is perhaps the most poetic feature of the whole design, combining luxury with a sense of childlike wonder. It turns the ocean into your backyard, your aquarium and your entertainment center all at once. The underwater bedroom features soft ambient lighting, a queen-sized bed and built-in cabinetry with materials designed to withstand marine conditions. Sound insulation and thermal control are taken into consideration to make this underwater hideaway as cozy as any land-based room. Above all, the visual tranquility of sleeping surrounded by water makes it an experience like no other. The bathroom continues this immersive theme with a porthole beside the shower and marine-grade fixtures that are both elegant and functional. Water for the bathroom is sourced through an onboard desalination system which uses solar energy to convert seawater into fresh water. The UFO 2.0's approach to water and waste management emphasizes a low environmental footprint, making it one of the more responsible designs in its category.
Moving on to mobility, the UFO 2.0 is equipped with electric thrusters that allow for limited navigation. It's not built for long-distance cruising, but it can relocate or adjust its position within bays, harbors, or calm coastal areas. Think of it as semi-mobile. It has just enough propulsion to reorient or relocate slowly using joystick controls, but it's not intended to be a boat in the traditional sense. Its cruising capability is more akin to that of a floating platform than a speedboat, but this suits its mission just fine.
Another cool feature is the stabilization system, which includes a gyroscope mechanism and an innovative anchoring design that minimizes motion from waves and currents. This keeps the platform stable and prevents that constant bobbing sensation that can cause fatigue or seasickness for some people. It's also vital for maintaining the underwater bedroom's tranquility. The entire vessel is designed to sit as still as possible even when the sea isn't.
In terms of construction, the UFO 2.0 is built using high-performance composite materials which keep it lightweight yet incredibly durable. The lower hull is made from fiberglass reinforced with carbon fiber for added rigidity, while the superstructure features marine-grade polycarbonate and aluminum. All materials are chosen for corrosion resistance and thermal stability, ensuring longevity and safety in marine environments. Now let's talk about sustainability and autonomy too.
Pillars of the UFO 2.0's identity. Besides the solar panels and desalination system, the UFO 2.0 also comes equipped with rainwater harvesting capabilities integrated into the roof and gutter system. The collected water is filtered and stored in onboard tanks, reducing dependency on external sources even further. There's also a biodigester system onboard for waste, which turns organic material into compost and treats greywater for reuse in irrigation or other non-potable uses. This means that the UFO 2.0 can be a truly off-grid home floating at sea or in a secluded bay, completely self-sustaining for weeks or even months at a time depending on resource use and weather conditions. It's perfect for the eco-conscious adventurer, the digital nomad who dreams of the sea, or even someone looking to turn their weekend getaway into a permanent lifestyle. And if that wasn't enough, Jet Capsule offers customization options including interior layout, solar capacity, battery storage, and even add-ons like underwater drones or remote monitoring systems. Want to turn your UFO 2.0 into a remote marine research lab, a private eco-hotel, or an aquatic art studio? The possibilities are nearly endless. The design's modular philosophy allows for creative adaptations which could extend into tourism, hospitality, education, and even environmental science. What really sets the UFO 2.0 apart is its ability to merge lifestyle, luxury, and sustainability in a vessel that is completely unlike anything else on the water. It's not just a houseboat, it's not just a solar-powered floating cabin, and it's definitely not your typical pleasure craft. It represents a new typology, a new category of marine architecture that challenges conventions and expands possibilities.
For those seeking to invest, the cost is comparable to high-end catamarans or luxury floating homes, which places it in a premium bracket. But considering the features, the autonomy, the design, and the uniqueness it delivers, it's easy to see the value proposition. The UFO 2.0 isn't just a purchase, it's a statement. It's for the trailblazer, the futurist, the dreamer who doesn't just want to sail the sea but live with it, be part of it, and even inspire others to rethink what's possible. In terms of performance, the UFO 2.0 doesn't offer knots per hour as a main spec. Instead, its performance is about energy balance, stability, livability, and autonomy. It performs not in how fast it can go, but in how long it can sustain you, how well it can protect you, and how completely it can support your life at sea. That's a refreshing take in a marine world that often obsesses over speed and horsepower.
From a design perspective, it also stands out because it doesn't copy trends, it creates them. The UFO 2.0 makes circular living not only viable but desirable. It makes sustainability chic, and it invites the world to dream bigger. When it comes to marine innovation, it blends the practical with the poetic. It's engineering with imagination, lifestyle with logic.
So whether you see the UFO 2.0 as a floating tiny home, a mobile eco-retreat, a private island, or even a statement on the future of marine living, one thing's certain: you can't ignore it. It's the kind of vessel that gets you dreaming and thinking and questioning what comes next in the evolution of boats and yachts. That's why here at Sir Boats Yacht we had to feature it, because it checks all our boxes. It's innovative, eye-catching, sustainable, thoughtfully designed, and it has a story behind it that goes beyond horsepower and hulls. It's a story about rethinking what it means to live with water instead of just on it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the UFO 2.0 with us, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of boats, yachts, and floating dreams. Until next time, keep your eyes on the sea and your dreams afloat, because the future is already on the water.